Hey.
Okay, stand here and look at me and kiss each other.
So you gotta get that under the
Peggy,
thing.
get a picture.
You're going to put this on YouTube, are you?
Of course I am.
See if it gets 1,700 hits like my oatmeal.
What, you want to tell people where your oatmeal video is?
What is that, video?
It is.
Rat bitch.
That's a very unkind thing to say.
Going on YouTube.
Okay, how old is that tuxedo?
This tuxedo is 20 years old. Probably 20 years old.
Uh-huh. And
So
let
this
me
was
just go down the thing
It's a real
Except that there's a
tuxedo,
Jill in the
too.
picture now.
and look at the shoes, because we have to make sure you're wearing the right
Take
shoes.
one picture I can send you to Neil both now, okay?
Studs.
Turn around a little bit.
Wait.
He's got the real buttons and everything.
Jesus, who else can say they can fit into a tuxedo from 20 years ago?
That's
Okay, that's enough. I gotta go lock my
Okay,
car.
I didn't get here.
Okay.
Jill's been in every frame. Oh, that's enough.